Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
You see, let me say, you forget what a sovereign. Ghana is a sovereign country. And then, like I say, it's council and a committee. The Sika yet to soon are committee if you young casa. So, what can I say? We should change our minds and our attitude. Yes, sir, a baby, I'm a young casa. Now, a banishing and said the career I ever saw Kuma, a Ghana for career. Yes, or who be Emra, no matter high, ever saw career. Wabran Kumaya, Kosomono. And yet, a whole and ever turn on the light for Ghanaian. Yeah. And even before you say, President now in his own wisdom, I would say, as a sovereign nation, not for the sum of $190 million or whatever, we should vacate our position as nationals of this country. Near summer, our home. And then the board of our super wire. Then who say your water? If you cook the piano. I was again of your war and war knowledge was another women. It's here, man, be or can a road construction was and more reduce. And what the type of roads are here and the duration I would say roads to be called Asana, Yasa, I go over. Now, she started for in our war. And then say that Obia should say, women's roads that day, people are not able to come out and speak their mind. See, it's all because of one thing, fear. Fear of the unknown. Say, okay, you can't say, we were near money. Yes, they are selling by the truth. Well, they is not bad to go. So, tell me, a violent woman, everything up what Ghana has. They should give them the opportunity to come out and speak the truth to the people. Yeah, yes, yeah, how much they tell me, then, I'm so Obama time. China wanted to take control of one of the ports in America. You can be such Chinese rules. How can you have control over the entry points into America? You are Chinese, foreigners. And say in the area. In the world, the Pajaki war, the mana, a hope and necessary for us. And then the radio station, because it's a uranium one, not the bitter. Yes, it's a Chinese. Now, the same Chinese, now Russia is going to build the biggest, I think, uranium plant in Rwanda for the generation of power. This is how we should run. What we see about Abrofo was not achieved overnight. I say we want to achieve everything overnight, which is not possible. But the government should allow us to speak our minds, advise them, because I said it. You tell you about Putin. Now, I say, who is share party be in the t-shirt to pay when your money? And you like I tell my man, married and the of go. Because I have passed through, a lot of untold difficulties with Goma simply because I stood up for this country. You understand? I stood up for this country. And I mean, be a support there. And can you go to Canada? You start to say your best one agenda regionally. Electricity should be Accra electricity company. Tema, so. Kumasi Takwali, Obia Woni is electricity company with the management team over the runner there. As a demo back over class on runner. I tell you, there's so to call can hire you, but they can hire Ghana. So we need now to be thinking of how to break these things up and create autonomous bodies that run on my name. That way, my camp before, and my baby, some of who. And you know, the woman who said what I said was right. Media, on my penny, follow so far. Now, when your politics, I said, you can't or my or you can't or my nothing. Now, see, I can't manage no defeats of these politics to gain the points. And he's not helping the nation, neither is he helping himself. What does it?
Mr. Good Adenti ena wodo omai Ghana na ube stand up for Ghana na as a result of say we stand up for Ghana no ube go through challenges here. Can you tell us some of the challenges?
I'm just saying Ghana for now in the year 2013. I mean, me contribute to Sika into government. They classify me as a criminal. I went through hell. Ghana. And I knew them academic. Me and me contribute to a buy loan. And so many people have lost their lives because of that. Now, besides, say, already besides that same war, another radio station. Or see, say, I did so. Now, who won't cry? Who said, oh, won't air kill? Now, you're open, no for baby. I don't know why young can put the majority now try to protest like myself. And we see, and we have seen, and we've experienced the way of woman I benefit your amount of. Then the buying come yes, yeah. We should not allow ourselves to be ruled again. We have gone through that already. And Sika Eken, a guy came from Sweden and I met him. Or see, Sika is electricity for money. We don't need to go and borrow money for electricity. Sika will come back. Then our Sika will come back. But you see, the way to allow people to do the right thing for this country, and then at the end, you mean, oh, about who person will come in here. Who goes in here, all the wedding. Go to for wedding. That's what money here. And then look at our rules. Who control land cruise and not Namukran, I break down nothing. And you know, the best say, the word sovereign must be paramount in their minds. They should think of Ghana as a sovereign nation. No, BSU, the BM, but dictate MIA. Let's apply common principles. Boy, papa. They say, for a while, I've come quiet, but today you brought me out to speak. Me, I speak for this country and I stand for this country. I speak for this country and I stand for this country. In all honesty and 100%. Now, I tell me to me, it should never have happened that. As a flat better back Kuma, not penny party Kuma said they should crucify me, all because of Osika security.
At the time, challenges now come in ano. A penny been a share say Yanyosa.
Sir, and I know it Ghana may run go crest to her. Single handedly, I've run this country throughout the whole Ghana. Obianka Minquan. And look at the number of employment and me creating what Ghana, I'm a Ghana for. I learn from if that did not happen to me, can you now think of the number of people I will continue to employ, which will benefit the families and benefit the economy? But obviously, baby said, me also, I was also traveling for what reason? And then we need power you. I don't know a good thing. Because of what happened to me now, we say, when we say, no. And he, appeal. Now, or tell Oko to say, yes, I go a rabbit in a corner, be Tebiasa or Pesica for the living job. Goya, or what body in body. The boy see the country and young Cranton, Naju, and then you, then Korea, and Robert, what the enthusiastic. And you sad no women and the river. And the park can 50% more for themselves. One day, we will go. But me, Nameka, and my Ghana for you to be a young who will be an immersion baba. Because yes, we live in poverty and in difficulty when we don't need to. We don't need to. Ghana is a blessed country. Ghana is a blessed country. That's a maybe quite I go to mathematics. I'm 20 pounds to thousands in Ghana. How much more? How many people in Ghana can do that? Plenty, you'll never be able to try it. But the opportunity to do it, it's always denied. It's always denied, which is very sad. Oh, it is very sad. The more I said there's a more kind of a court of my family. The trend that one follow Kuma. They should invest it. Yeah, I saw one side thing. Two things I know Kuma. I have there could be Tibia or Dawa. Any Ejata or Dawa. As I look at it, good people in this country. Now they've let them go. Woman for Capri and go. So yeah, your arcade, I was away a share some MIA. Who is here, share some MIA. So, I'm amazing. I'm just here for when you are Goma. Make sure you baby. Now, woman, and me fast up my bonus with one. Oh, we are bonny with Yasim. I know the bonny tree and Nipaka for Papa Wayana. It is in the Bible. Bonny, yeah, bonny and feel that. It's in the Bible. You go look at the book of Psalms, a book of Proverbs, chapter 17, verse 13. You'll be out here, be an uncle, the book of Proverbs, chapter 17, verse 13. Put the bonny tree, the way your papa car, bonny and feel that. And not feel my bread go hand. The beer get the bonny, because of what? Because of Sika. Oh, Sika, no, bread in the try, and yet beginning to try. Oh, and you begin to try, and then you make it. It's a Yamiti cannot say, be Magonia, then she is more than all the ultimate happy. Why should you have it? No. So that's it. And let me know what to say. I'm an opportunity to part of my feelings. Now, women at the MM, let them all understand. The second dresser. You can't. It was one man tiny. Say, that will do that level. And someone in the British level. Somebody will be at the British level. Like I said, we'll do that level, so I will destroy him. Now, when again works, you kill me. Now, me, but me say, will be Papa Koya as of a general show, so maybe I will be a mature. And you know, my little will be much Sumokupa. Say, me tell you, me, we, and let me that be so much attention. But here we say the word sovereign should remain with us all the time. We are a sovereign nation. Fear Singapore. See what they've become today. Look at South Korea. And yet, South Korea for every cat in Asia. All other countries will be as you did kind of woman. A balancing. So, and you never enjoy. So let's all be of one mind. Say, Nehemiah, Koto, Obako Fuko, no Baku, Chibako to Atufim. And Yensa, Obako was not pushing. Who you pushing because or Manday.
Ora Jojo Posika good day. Waka say mono. Waka say ya na uhunu Kwame Nkrumah no more year principles. Then one would ask. So be to say Sofu Chirabosom the television so some of the things Kwame Nkrumah businesses state enterprises are from there. Yeah, winya brehwe. Now what are your thoughts on such films you know?
See, my bomb is my man. If you cast your mind back to the year 2004, we contested. I think I spoke so much on Kwame Nkrumah's achievements for this country. But for the fact that I didn't have access to video, I made to show you that and the end, the person, me can't be seen, I'm Obia Fan Yasimo, Liberty Fan Yasim. Now somebody else has come. Say the same thing that I said to 2004 every time, and then he produced the evidence to show that Nkrumah utilized the resources of this country to create opportunities for Ghanaians. He didn't create opportunities for Ethiopians. He didn't create it for Nigerians. He didn't create it for Obama or Dubai. He created opportunities for Ghanaians. Now, one of the things that you also, you know, idea by one guy be or if Dubai of the Doha, or see, idea of war member and your leadership. And also, Nigeria has everything, but still they are poor. But in one part of the world, they have only oil, and they have good leadership. So now see the way they've transformed one country. This is what doing there. The border of Asupa, and that Ghana for years, say, look at the comments in fear also here, what means can we say, Nipa leaders will Ghana are of the same caliber? Acquisitions of property, cars, wealth, and everything all over the place. How would you? And that should be an example to us. They're not president to we, and they're not well. I tell you, well, It's an year of the same mind. Na yen guy bickering. Where you Mr. Where can Martin why can me? I will forever speak for Ghana, and I will forever stand up for Ghana. Because me, my aim at that time was say, by the time I should be remembered as the man who came after Kwame Nkrumah to make Ghana a better place to live in. That has been my wish all my life. But unfortunately, no, there are people who are politically inclined and they saw me as a threat, so they had to cut me down. You cut me down, they cut me down. And you don't know the agony I went through in this country.
Mm.
You don't know the agony that a political party and its members put me through in this country. All because we can't require it. All because all because who paid me for myself. What I say? Who give me for myself by force? The records are all there in the bank. I tell my years bank for 10 years. And you know, another contract come. Move do her pay within 2 years. They had to suffer the pain and the agony from 2013 up to today. I'm still going through the same pain. I think, because I'm creating employment for people. They said, me and create employment. Then you so I'm not all better. And the mission means I can't with anything. Look at the thousands of people that I was employing. I alone. Look at the concept that I introduced you to Ghana. That's why now you have a lot of things springing up, remember. All because of me. Outsourcing of businesses from institutions and from my individuals. Job creation. I alone. Let's say about my basu first. I will get higher way. Power. There was not a single occasion. There was a function I invited me. He himself saw to it. I asked when he left office, who has recognized that I am here? Nobody. They deliberately have put my name away. Said nobody should remember my name. You see, we have a lot we can contribute to this country to make it a better place to live in. Maybe make a not what I say. Even if you kill me, somebody else will come like baby. And you know, the airport is one more aim, and say, Yen destroy Nipa, then find your home, and found was you, and found with you free. The woman is free. So let me pray Nipa Fiaka, Echo Kapaga, Echo every corner in Ghana. I alone. Now, say me was our brains number dear stand we are. Should you not rather hold me up together to help the government, you know, in creating jobs? Look at your memory and in them street issue. Okay, I think we can say, how memory street issue. We should now begin to look at. See a low building among. We are locating cubicles. We are in the region of the day. We interview them near who are the core of Ubetimaya. They will take you from there and employ you in the area that you can perform well. There are people who should not be in Accra. They should be employed through the agriculture system or by extension offices. One more aqua spray and PBA farms. And it is somebody.
Na Mezagude ususu se yen Ghana for ye see ebeya capital pa no ebi o Ghana ha say ya Ghanaian industry captains ebetimi nya access to sa capital no dia ye adwuma.
Oh, yes, see, Rome was not built in a day. What are we in a rush for? Chinese locked up China for 10 years to build China. Now we go tap in hand begging for survival. We can do the same thing here in Ghana. And we will build this country. I bet you young. Go and look at Rwanda. What is the man doing there? He is doing the same thing as the Chinese did. Do we always have to sit and say, Abasu Okuma said, unless they see you in Rolls Royce, and then they see you in Bentley, doing what? What would that car do for you in this country? Where we don't have the roads, you don't have the knowledge to service the cars, we don't have anything. So why don't you lock up Ghana and then bring out our riches, work on the riches for the benefit of Ghanaians, and then we open it up and see if Nipa man may participate and you will kind of go where we go to Seseku. Was that and only we have the capital here. We have to work hard. I have worked hard, papa. I didn't sit down, I didn't sleep. Oh, that is what catapulted me into the position that I got into. That's how we have to go. Oh, my baby, or Changwan. I mean, and I said, I am Ghana for I am as a president will go back. And so the word discipline, a president, papa. Make catastrophe and war, KSM programs to war TV station. Me, in the first 4 years, and I tell you, honestly, the 4 years we clean Ghana, we will instill discipline people. Second year, not as well as here. Because now without discipline, this around question could get a chair. Unless you could get a chair. How would we generate the Canada amount? And your chrono? And your chrono? If I get to the Chanka, good idea. Second, third year.
But so we share business environment now. Capital nimpo ha environment no motivating, encouraging for say you bet me attending things round.
And you're encouraging. Yeah, there's a secret about me. Very simple way of raising capital in Kuma. Oh, yes, overnight, I want to build a mansion and say, Papa, who be that? Who be that? Overnight. Only back of fear you are here. Straight away, I got to Mercedes Benz. I got to Land Cruiser. Now, she cannot be said to one I hear I think him on. Who do go to a car nothing? Barbara can do any of you. Barbara because of Kia Friday. I don't know Baba. Who does it? The Magana contract this year before we used to be Mercedes and Kente. What was the contract? What got to Kente? No, I got to Mercedes, nothing. I won't pass along.
Na answer na bekono bank nsoso a yes capital adequacy ratio na face so no ye restructure the banking structure into bank ibi agugo savings and loans agugo microcredit for agugo. What are your thoughts, George Oposika Agudi?
Yeah, me party because I guess I'll travel to now I can't just maintain the bill. But yet you might be good with a crack. What does it? Now, before MPP came, and then if he said we have the men who will prosecute them, who will do this, who will do that. The same language is now being in use. And what does it? Say you make it a good day. And you never could you prosecute me. But the people who steal our resources, people who turn our resources into their own, I tell you, then you'll be a good thing. Who does it? None of see the people cocoto, where the meeting can be one of the me and one American. Assembly, SCC, Kumhan. People started generating interest in the outcome of those cases. Today, as we speak, how many of these cases are being written on in the newspapers or being spoken of on television and on radio for people to hear? Who still say it is this scratch my back and scratch yours? System and the other one. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a little Sebi. One more from Mrano. I will say, you allow the Mrano, then ye Juma. And this is the good I bet ye Juma. If it's somebody there, simply because they want to destroy me. That's it. The banking system, you just a man person that banking who are the people who have been responsible for creating the environment for all this to happen? More. One to woman name, who does it? Let's say continue like that. Oh, the end in the day, I think together we have a toy, but they will answer that matter. What does it? And you're right. Yeah, look at other parts of the world. In Penfoy, yeah, Bonia, they deal with them. But who are you to deal with a people woman? Me, let me see, woman, yeah, they say, I contested as the president candidate for City of Woman. And the Nipa, I come up with it and they contributed to my downfall. And then they've also fallen down. So they may lie. And the woman didn't quite waste the meme deal. So, it is about time. Say, I ban you this week. The new woman around the CPP and NPP from generations. And Catania, before fear. What they should have done is look at the Nipa Wukupa. They know very well on record that these people can contribute to the growth of this country. And then absorb them into government or other places. They are more. That's all I say. I'll give you party me if you can remember. Britain, when Margaret Thatcher was in power, I was there at the time. Ministers, business people, women here, conservatives. And they drew all of them into government and they supported. And the thing worked. Chancellor, our German city, when she got into office, the Minister of State in her office was a 24-year-old man. 24. We look for a 24-year-old man in the Benibia office of Okuma. Look at it. Cooper movie said the old Bruce anti-Nigerian and woman attitude. So how are we going to develop? How are we going to grow? If I have the opportunity, I will do what is right for this country at all times.
Tino kra no uwa futuo bi a wode ebema the present political leadership nana.
Oh, I need I will hope it. I hope it. As you see, me person make no tranko better na makweli papa no Ghana. I've called it to myself to avoid what happened to me in 2013. Now you just think, say, go Chris brought development to the people of this country. And should I be the one to suffer for my hard work, for helping mankind to survive? Should I be the one to suffer? So, I've known him all my political life for Kuma. It's about time, man. You should also look at it. Me, I know people who and the person can work in support of a minor. Draw him into government. Draw him into somewhere. Obviously, I contribute meaningfully. I don't want to know you. It will not be right. And it will never be right all the time. Oh, man, back home. Sadiq. Logo minister. Or can say or who opposition that? Not only or NDC. Obisusa. One parties in the opposition. So that's it. Now, why should it be so? All of the opposition that is living the absolute life of luxury. So that's it. Now, meanwhile, Martin, then the people from Obradi every. I said, who be road I make you so. I have tried every government. No one be road market. That's all I say.
And so basa osha properties e wo ba bia wotie ya. These are properties no emfuturo ni ateche no na motim.
I want him. And then hey, me catch your pain. Uba abo hu mi wo, me dream pain. Because you compare teacher na ye ko. So to na ya boy wo no. This is bo ka kwa. It is me wo kwa, e so me dream pain. Because the net place you go to one bucket is over 600 cities. It is 6 million. I think all that is. My car. And you know, I come back president check. He has made a pledge to Ghanaians and it's been played every day on the radio station. So at the end of his term as president of Ghana, he will make Ghana Accra a better place to live in. Beautiful place. Put that there. I hope say I don't know say who be there before Department of something beautification of the capital. Maso. They should leave a legacy here. We will say, said another man when you say enjoy. This is what you should start thinking. But it's the time and also. So we should utilize this time. For yes, everyone. This is what call the Azerbaijan, the me a cabin for them, all quite a wrinkle. Because me what for your Korean Azerbaijan. Let's concentrate on ourselves in this country and build our country. Let's close the country up and work and build the country like the Chinese have done. Now look at China. Everybody, we're all running there. We are running this. We are running to China, cap in hand, begging. For what? When we have the words of the world.
Enti Mr. George Oposikagude, Panyini Wadaroma, at the time 2013, na or how challenge in a buyer no. Omutimi do rap prison gates, what do to prison ana?
Oh, David. And I'm going to say, and you know, was here. Woman, me push to fight Joy FM. What I say, you women must see FM. Joy FM was the first station in this country. And then yes, I don't. For me, I don't listen to Joy FM. Because my who says, Nipa no go to FM, yes, and it's careful. So offer me as a presidential candidate, step on in my head. I Joy FM can take it upon itself. All throughout all my political career, the only station in this country that has been destructive of me is Joy FM. Oh, I'm telling you, Joy FM. All the stations don't come panel. They want now for baby.
Na dia na Joy FM waka na eye no kore na na ye ya na nya no kore na ese ho. Who be that?
Don't you, as a matter of fairness, you really can't talk to me, but you just go out there to blow Sema and yell quarry. Secretary, never be a woman that don't let them go out there to go and talk like that about them, to go and destroy them. Don't let them. And you want them as a radio station. Now you make it your business. You destroy people who are coming up to help this country. Then where are we going?
Now, Omoma opportunity to respond to information no put up Africa na S1.
Nothing. They just went ahead because this Onyame Tiasi.
Enti would this station Joy FM no would Joy FM for ho yawo.
Papa. Man can den my dada. Because we be again me openi wo Ghana kuma. Me go viasi me go bokro no. What you say I can say to Dagoda ko viadi. And then back again what you say about for borrow sika wo po bank da. What you say to Dagoda ko read for baby. And my question no man yen what you did that? I don't engage myself in this frivolous domain. I don't. I keep to myself and do what I think is right. And I'll continue doing what is right. So to be a president, you swear the oath to do what is right to all manners of people. So as you start, you should learn that. Muka ya jua so mo fote wo mo nanti kuma no mo tete ni pa keke.
Enti
so be want man. Ko ko bisa the balance.
who regret say obeye presidential candidate ana?
Not at all. I will do it again, have the opportunity. Because my desire is to see Ghana become a better place to live in. Because my friend was here for 23 years. And to call white, and the way people think, the way people do things. And that's what I was trying to bring into this country. I'll talk about sovereignty that make sovereignty and discipline. And the country we are sovereign state. And the discipline, we can take this country round. I bet you be a crack of it. Then a crack of it. So some of us, we are determined. Say, Ghana in our lifetimes, we will make contributions that the poor man. You see, Obi a US mobile by any nobody over here. No, over to my Germany. Yen look, me and the good. All this is Chicago. On behalf of this country, and you're getting a good will. Over to First, I'm going to show who come to there are few hospitals out of the town. We are very clinical town center. You can walk in there. But it build the thing outside the town. So only car to get there is a problem. Or people walk on. And I don't know of Professor wherever to do that. I don't go for now. This was what you are better to go. Or a woman who go capture a 2 years papoli. They all get them. But you see, then there will be a year, let say. And remember, a better by it will never continue like that into perpetuity. Whoever the podium, the museum. Or see, me should be remember. Yes. And the woman now won't come here with leadership at the time. They said they should crucify me. No? Now, were they able to crucify Jesus Christ? And now, were Jesus Christ? We are crying for him. And that's what I'm saying again, we are crying for Kwame Nkrumah. One day, me too in this country, people will cry for me. Woman, I was born in 2013. I was working for ADB. And because of me, now go and look at my record at ADB, then and compare it to today. In fact, between the young but here before my company institution, one team is and you see vast difference. All because of discipline. All because of discipline. In the home said, interview a migrant to win, on John got to see about the team in the local baby. Because Obi and Pet said, my class that. No, but me, my promise is what they did to me in 2013. When you go for that, is in the book of Proverbs. Woman is a Bolin, few who feel that. Because many women need Bolivia, people didn't know me. But because of my name, they said, let's destroy this man. Why? As I said, I am no longer still to become a Ghanaian. What do I say? Now, said they should carry lead the crusade to destroy me.
Enti omo yes omo destroy no enti omo timi run down as a result of that no businesses in egu untimi mu akonhoma.
Yeah, me business accord down. Now asema ye kan no say be new year adwuma. Say they describe me as Atai. They describe me like Atai. Who we got my business when also.
Enti omo kan say na purely social security na wuntua ema workers na nya no kre.
Papa, me wo evidence I get here. Me wo ye here after current ye here. What I say? This gave me an exemption. They started this from the year 92. I may be registered. Brokers Sukuma. Yes, when I said I set up. And yes, I tried to be social. From that time, I was a project word or something. This workers are the exemption letter. So we should start paying from 95. We went to court, and then the judge didn't want to know. I don't believe a judge in this country can tell me, say, me, I use communist tactics to do work in this country.
Judge no eno timi can directly say what use communist inferior tactics.
Yeah.
Hey.
So we ask, what is communist tactics? Me, I mean, emperor Nipa no, they communist tactics are what we. Oh, now when you have people like this, you know, at the helm of affairs, and also you use me as an example, for all other business people. You are killing all the businesses. German government because fish one in time. And now get to Abushuma, your mama won't to borrow 146 billion.
And they just said, Judge, you know, and yet the laws of Ghana, any a dance here, any a summoner, see no debua, some name mono, or person or use as a scapegoat.
That's it. That's it. Now, never course, I do a meeting on air. It's to miss me a lawyer, and I would never want to do anything to draw the judiciary of this country into dispute. I will never do that. Because I've been a legal practitioner in the UK for many, many years before I came to Ghana. Now, so Ofe Minyonko, lawyer needs to go as a judge, and he can do that to me. What? Why do we call ourselves a leather friend? Why do we call ourselves leather friend? So, because they had an agenda. Let me catch you. Many people on the 9th of the 13th of September 2013, on the 14th, we can in Tiasi.
And yes, when you why you say, what create a Juma Mancroft?
Sir, no peg Jimmy for me, Sama. Gina Fakwe. After shooting anybody, I say, at the end of it all, Nipa ran ADB, they would set up a company to take the business for me. Conflict of interest. Who your board chairman, who your MD. Now you set up a company to take my business away from me. Tell me, be a political, how? And if Penfo will come, who knew and they witnessed it all? But nobody opened his mouth to say, no, Adam, we are wrong.
I just say, or no banking services are Goldcrest, running bullion services for them, no. MD, no board chairman, no. Etimi, Equako set up a rival business in similar Juma Goldcrest, no. Nothing near frustrated Goldcrest, near Juma, na omodi, omono afa.
Company, friendly schools, call ADB, call the woman you are. Go to ADB now. Let me know if you need cash mobilization by ADB. I threw the concept to the bank. So that's it. Open the speaker into your church fund to run your political assignment. You have to come to me. Of course, they took 4 regions away from me. They deliberately for 6 months they enjoyed that. But I was paying the staff and doing everything. Actually, they called me and congratulated me for good work done. Later, I terminate me agreement and let them down. If I see you, meet me at your
I just said for 6 months, na ni entua o kana wo no pay bosun entua workers ka no. Actually, omutua ma no, omu di interest ka ho.
Ata o the interest we fa. Me wo me sika be ye meduma. Adwuma bia wo ye adwuma, you must have the working capital. I had that one. Everything sustain company no. As long as it took company say there you be traffic. It even let me share the one today. I'm sure we are saving. If it's an university, when I mention traffic, or sorry traffic, message can't crowd get to traffic by way of interest. Oh, what you know, northern region. Why did upper west, upper east? What did Brahafo? What do you hear? I would say 6 regions I can know. Who would the account? Remember 100, maybe 1 billion every month in farm. Somebody go campaign. No, that's why we go for 1 billion cities. I'm about to go and the bank can take him, Papa.
I just said a political party requested 1 billion a month finance a personality.
Personality. personality on the political party nim.
And we try sa aboa ma wo.
Me na me tell amane ho nyina.
Say for 1 billion a month for brand no fan running the party. And when young corner yes when young kwade de na adwuma na de ama na ye beje afru nsem.
Eno aka no.
Hey, e de wakon.
Enye kokitwa.
I just a political environment be na be ba say flag bearer of a party. Next one wa ban mu a ye betimi a chinchin businessman say 1 billion a month for ma me amfa running party no a na de constructively ye be gu adwuma.
Sir, me can quite you. Sir, your Mahama is a good friend of mine at the time. I went to his office and told him. I told him. So I said, also, I shouldn't mind him. I told him, ask your mama. I said, but your mama whom you cry, well, yeah, there's a need that, or whom you cry that.
But that is a 2013, so said your Mahama and a president.
Yes. Then, me calling change, or not from me calling change. So I went there and told him what was happening. What does it?
And was don't mind them. As no any party for.
In the end, I ended up in court.
As no you know any party for na you sir. Do you think that na onim?
I don't know to say me can mom kwa yefemba.
O ka chiro so who discan kwa mom family no.
Family no. From party no.
Sir,
na so who is president Ukuma. Na because your mama say whom you are from Siana. So from your excellency Siana. If that's the why, also me my contest before him. So he has to give me that honor.
Ti ono mama no hu a of his excellency.
Yes.
Eti na ya John Dramani Mahama say all san bay. What are your thoughts?
Oh. Yes, see, Obia will name you as assessor. Obia will name you as assessor. What I say? Maybe the people happy will come here. It might probably support me back into that position. And Bible says, create. What I say? You cannot destroy me, destroy my family, destroy my business. Now you are living in absolute wealth. And
who were the personal
political parties here in Ukoma? People here in Ukoma. We are witnesses to all this, but who are you to say them?
For any personalities are no more your Mahama party no more. In 2013, they would want to take 1 million.
Ibrahim Adams.
Your former Greek minister Ibrahim Adams.
Oh no, yes, I know now.
Was it Mr. Kwachina na say MD no then?
No, MD then was body.
And Ibrahim Adam insisted say as a result of Urani bullion services Edema ADB no I was said Busumi Biano with the 1 billion cedis eba near the command DC. Oh.
I say sema akoso ani na omedi ye no gum ha no. Nipa pe nim. What I say? Nipa pe nim. And it was their wish, he said, if I had gone to prison, then that would be my end. Then what will be?
And Ibrahim Adam, yes, I know board John Dramani Mahama Maniano went me and call Ibrahim Adam to order.
Order. Sir, that way, it started when Ejata was alive. When he heard of it, he summoned Ibrahim Adam and his body to the castle to ask them there. As Sema watching it, so much set of company to rival Ajuma Miya Mabachu, obviously never. So he told them then they should never do it because that business is near the river Jana, and once you need Ajuma Miya Abu Mine. So nobody should tamper with Ajuma Miya. No sooner than the man died, and then the whole thing started. There's about for me for 1 billion every month. Then they just say, Papa, let me hear them out.
I just said, now what Juma will be no better to 1 billion a month in every month. And I say, for cash, the best woman.
Cash. And also my yeah, and then we can't quite like also my yeah. He will make sure that maybe I may match you again and that's what he did.
Face to face na Ibrahim Adam ka we chire.
I am telling you, in his own office behind TV3.
Say, do you believe say open and no wo sa anase na Ibrahim Adam other businessmen and no money ADB dealing?
I mean, now for fear of easy to live, so Obia and Nano Jum and on Tio. Who are the women who where now never go to Baba. That's also passing me my contest Goma as presidential candidate. Me go Kulipa. Me go your bonny by. When I can't order for myself, they put me to my list in paying the German government requires the car. You know, the rest of German government and say, look, of course, what does it? And then, government officials, so was care over couple of billions. We have a chief and a couple of days in company. Or no, and this one, I bet you will be a local company because they borrowed over $146 billion. What does it? We are contributing. And they're money. Now, me boy mankind with employment. I don't work society. People my money, all because of Sika. What is Sika? I hope you are listening well.
Just a year, papa.
I hope you are listening well. Now, Bonia, German government through English of the Kuman. The year they said the coupon was the one for the petrol. The year later. The book of Proverbs chapter 17 verse 13. What did Bonnie Edda Papacia? Bonnie and Popio da. It's woman Nima, Makati woman. What does it? Yeah. It's in some members that we are leader. So I would destroy people who I come by. I am not in the same bed with them. Why? We don't know the NDC, we don't know the MPP. What does it? Me call CPP. Me madam be the same say na CPP we dey be there na. Them to attend me organ. We say one thing about we say this is quite daily ufu. So this is Misu. Me aim say I will awaken CPP to become a vibrant political party as it used to be in this country. And I did. I succeeded. And then me party will be meeting one about in the IRA. And now you were talent on your people their money. You give that on your media money. So don't envy mine. And then for the Jum say, I can check cafe. Am I for a kind and yard yet? The whole Yamaya, the Bonia Kuba, you should have also said, yeah, 48, against them. A day born in my. I said, boys, woman said you in general government books, but beyond the Mimako Babu Shabin Piaka. Maybe my Babu said once, young entry will be organized. I am the Borussia will have to go first. I'm a sure. So that's it. General government is condition. General government is electricity forecast. General government is water. General government is Yakoshi. Then the criminal laws are there. Why are they not applying it to arrest the people who are supposed to be paying this in 1 year? Look at it. The Miming Kwan, Ade. It doesn't.
That demand na Ibrahim Adam make of you of 1 billion cedis. That is technically 100,000 cedis every month. Utuya bida.
Mankada. Na zama ni sikana mpule kwa kutuya. Na sikana ye juma musita. Enti mi yi se sikana wa tenda bila wana juwa. Na je juwa collapse. Oh. Odipa hu adili ye no. Enti ni telefonsi. Mfumsu bata obi ahi. Udazi. Manko pa onyonku su. Tuma obi hu onu. Na wo di bin da lo di juwa na akoba su obi hu. The name is Obiasima. The name is Obiasima. Particularly Kumpa, Aya Africa, Aya Ghana, you want extended family. Kakaka, a shoe a bushiansu, but Pia Quetri. Only the seven was sent a bushian semi, you may be brilliant. I had Nipa Biblio. Nipa will be dependent on me in go crescent. Only one. And so, maybe they make sure that if you have a crack, I didn't hear a cop. I didn't have one pine. I won't call the drug as a means to go to a cousin per month. I can never do. The year you chronic with this can do that. If this can. And this is back we ask him fufu. Oh, this is back we ask him fufu.
Hey.
Single out people for this type of treatment that every man in 2013 up to now. Do that. They will bring me here. My own taxman, and I'm such a bad guy. And then, you want the same rules. Because for the person, you have echo. It's a best support. A best support that you are a year. Good at it. Who call you to this year and another part of the world? You want budget schemes that you electricity, water, that is every month, if you are old, at the end of the year, normally analysis. If you are over, once you are over, then they are more credit. If you underpay that, and this is living in their actual current bill, you must split them on every month. Payment to look they go to me, go to Fiat. They go to me, go to Fiat. Do that. Why are the Europeans? Why are they growing? Who don't teach them to teach the part? And yeah, I want member. I will make good business. They teach you me to go to Fiat. They can be. They can never transfer like a local hospital with you. Do that. What would you do? If you show me that you go to you, say, do that. I've gone through a lot of difficult times.
And now over 5-6 years in here, and now why you did this idea we are showing Musa? Thank you.
Oh, yes. Me, I've shown them say, you will be Bema. Bema, so you see Bema is true. You can say, Obia was in the Beba. Meaning, the member that if you are in the I won't tell me. What does it? You see. The oil body only. Can't make cut much of. Some are having a fear because your mamma the fear. Over a year, PNC. What would tell my sister? He was always there. I don't do that. They all know me. As my father, when you all know me, I'm going to your mama. Like I used to go to somebody who could force the power to give advice here and there. Look at it. I said, I didn't see it. It was the wrong thing because the US of Abaya, it is our duty to support you to succeed. Also, Kilia, I bet you if you fail, you are equally suffer. So, equally suffer. And I said, if you report you come and you guys said the year you grow. And so they have benefited from you for all this years. Today they don't know you. But you see, the kind of who believe in the farmer Jami. Now, who should say, they didn't have to come after Ibrahim Adam years. I didn't have to come to him.
I didn't see
He was all over the place trying.
Miss Cotton, the Anana.
When the personal of you.
Pasama Kayo.
You see, who said, would always sell be, who the will be back.
I need the Bass Brandon Anna.
When you personal of you, and a very sorrowful situation arose. I've got evidence of it on my phone. And yes, my friend, he was running all over the place, asking people for support.
Kaime Kakre.
You should destroy people. You shouldn't do that.
Kaime Kakre, Nidiana Baya all over the place.
Yeah. Onyamin Nayo. Abaya the Bob Ban, Sabana, and the Botte.
Idea na true Ibrahim Adam.
Oh, I did a missing a personal idea. A very sorrowful situation. As I see, the million one can be the Lubaya this year. Say that's in your pony. I don't know a dribbler, NCC dribbler. It's your best. You come in straight now on car, you destroy you. You destroy the person, your best destroy the ambition there. You be a matching organ and overstaying now.
Na one na clash will be who dentin obet me a single out for destroying.
Papa, fair the title until you say board chairman, I never saw them. I didn't know you from Adam.
But me a tuna near you, sister.
All because of Skenty. You don't destroy me because of Sika. Sika will be way down. Oh, you will wait that Sika. No, no, sir. Oh, look at a Muslim. Oh, I didn't see Sugar negotiating. Look at the major fridge, maybe 3 weeks, and now I must be alive with him.
Nti after sir or shema business is collapse you know. Was she out there?
Oh, we shall do that. And I never want to see him at all.
Wouldn't you share program be as no chia wa beje so?
Me. I need a Messiah Magana for you. I said, me, Nipa, me, see, guy. Saudi Arabia, me, you be not from the city.
Tit for tat.
Yes. Maybe the other will say, Obi Asuma, that's Fabakosuma, no boom. What do you mean? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I need to be a yes, sir. I've gone through hell.
Oh, say the whole kind a very sad story.
I have gone through hell with Ghana. I'm telling you. And it's not over yet. I have gone through hell with woman. When they do off hell, I will tell you.
And because me in fact, yeah, agree see no bekasano. Yeah, now so that you say this is the kind of things I be catching.
Baby can go far. Baby can change after what is my kata radio so that.
Debbie.
What is my call baby? Debbie. But you see, and to say, I think that's why a boy now the cover no. A pay 12 issue. That's what you have done for me. I didn't know me to come out. But me could decay and question me could Debbie. When you're meaning repair. And then God has given me that opportunity to speak. I can't afford 19. Because kind of or tell about who says so and you about one. Don't die at the end of the same thing. So that's it. Oh, God, you show me the own same way. I don't let the door as a go man. The bad one says it. Who does it? When someone says we tried 2000, yes, preparation for Congress. Joy FM brought together, I don't know where she came from. Who me have been a practicing barrister since 1976. Who will become a contestant in public? How were students? I was called to the bar in July 1976, grazing from the UK. And I've been a member ever since. Who does it? All my youthful years, I was in the UK. And my young one actually. And they do me and the crew, I'm Brother Bois, Ghana, my Ghana, they see here my airborne because of Sika. Abba. And you think.
It makes sense. You tear the okay idea. You tear the okay idea. And just say Ibrahim Adams at the Roma. John Dramani Mahama would never garner your support to.
Because the way they get off probably normal. Get off one case of being normal. What does it? We have wide experience of this world. Experience I mean one. A bit one by beyond. What does it? I've traveled far and wide. I've met great men and women. I've been at their feet and I've learned. I've learned. Now, the bagger and now, nearly crew. Maybe you have the boy, me man for. I feel my money. Because Obi, the great and avarice, I should be destroyed.
But are you destroyed?
Oh, when you met that woman, you are. Oh, that means what I was doing was taking a lot of burden of government in terms of employment. What I say? Creating employment means every year new specialty. Job creation, a year new specialty. Because when we say a Nepal girl to the point in the road is what, not a army. Who does a woman now road is she'll be still, and you're very black. Who saw the difficult now, who teach me, because what? They come from a very difficult background. It shouldn't be so. It shouldn't be so. Who will go to Kuma? Who you go to when you be a but Hannah Korea, the Kwamafa, no one woman in the family. Who does it? Yeah.
Right.
They are creating the richest family in Ghana. Who created the richest family? Boys here, where you are Facebook, and you don't want American. How old are they? What are you Twitter? How old are they? Are they our ages? Of course not. And look at what they have done. That benefiting mankind. I don't see America will go and say, because my idea. Only by the best idea. And we'll go to the first one. You may see it harder. And you're quite the first thing we could do because look at all. Look at all. Look at all. Look at it. Maybe tell you, yeah, maybe what I did. Maybe say, I'm very focused on what I'm doing. No, I take joy and pride out of that. Then all so much stuff they walk up to me in town. You tell me, say, let me and we share Ghana, maybe you can know when
okay. Ye the besia na meba besra wo. Oraje ojo pusika gide.
Yeah.
Right.
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.